the boat?
Bird.
Yeah.
That's a crane. He is about 6 to 8 feet away from us right now. Came into our front yard.
Bird. 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 Bird.
I think they like the rain. What do you think?
There's the bird.
Yeah, there's the bird.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Mommy.
Do you hear the different sounds they make?
Mommy.
Yes.
And then the duck.
This is not a duck, it's a crane. Oh, they're leaving us now.
Hi there.
You say bye, bird.
Oh, bird.
Are those big birds?
Yeah.
But not big bird. Bye, birds.
Oh,